how to make a sub page on Squarespace. This about be really helping you about it on the situation that is still to be about satisfying for what is going to be on and happening through what is going to be about really satisfying for what is going to happen and how you can start to deal with it. That is still to be about be very important to be really depending on how you can start to be going on through the progress, which is about be really satisfying for what we are going to look for and how we can start to be dealing with that. As you can see out it for pages section and drag the drop the new page to the main page of the sub pages. So we go for drag the sub page here to the into the page. I don't know what how to do, but we go settings and start to go for the side where we are going to drop the page, like to add a side of SEO or a side of description that it can be ready through that to add a code injection for like it's about to be making the page sub page, and that is all about to help you